This is our first vlog. It's fire! Yeah. Oh, what an adventure. Right, Carson? Good morning, y'all. Today I decided I would get over my vlogging public fear and I would bring you guys along and create some content. Right now I'm pumping. Y'all know the girl. I'm using my pumpables. I'm gonna take a few vitamins and drink 3 bottles of water, head to the gym. I need to lose some weight. Also gotta go to the grocery store. Gotta hurry up and get out the door. Kids woke up, so leaving the house took a bit longer. So happy I didn't take my pre. Anyways, I'm going to the gym. I guess I'll see y'all there. I don't know if I'm bringing this big old, look at it, y'all. But y'all see y'all there. Big check. This is all. Now that it took me forever to leave the house, I gotta pump again. My pumping bag. This is really the cooler, but it's with my sweet. Okay, guys, I just finished working out and you should be proud of me. I'm recording in public. I've been to the grocery store, get some things for the house. I might swing by Dollar Tree. It's hot as hell out. I'll talk to you guys when I get to the store. I got a few things. Okay, so I got a few stuff. These are so good. If you ain't never had these, I got me some Eternal Water and look what they have in there. Alani energy drinks, and I just ran out of pre-workout, so that should hold me off until I get some. The kids some mouthwash. So now I'm gonna head over to Walmart and then I'm going home.
Five minutes later.
Anthony, I just fight you.
2 hours later.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, Anthony. Say hi. Okay, y'all, we packing out. It's hot. It took us a while to get out the house, but we're off. And we actually have like a premeditated beach day. 3 kids. It's on to the vlog. Okay, so this is on the car ride to the beach. I actually uploaded this video onto my TikTok, so that's why it is in portrait mode. I am still learning, so bear with me for the vlogs, but practice makes perfect, and girls, we are uploading that content. In the video, I am wearing a nursing top, which is in my Amazon storefront in the breastfeeding tab, and I am pumping with my Mom Cozy S12 Pros and storing the fresh milk in my Ceres Chill. So those are the details for all of the pumping products used in this video, and yeah, I loved it. So enjoy the rest of this video of me pumping. We are here, our first time at the beach as a family. Oh, what an adventure. Right, Carson? This is a lot of work. Okay, so here is another clip of me using my phone in portrait mode. I did not think about it until after the fact, but this is just a few clips of us at the beach. I didn't get to record much because sand was everywhere. The baby was getting in everything, but y'all had so much fun. And I love that I was able to still keep up with my pumping schedule. Like, I want to go to the beach again. I've been telling my husband I want to go again. I hope you guys enjoyed this footage of me having a ball in mommy mode. And yeah, here's my super cute baby. He's so cute. I love him so much. And yeah, we dug a big ditch. Alright, the beach was quite the trip. We are exhausted. Right, Anthony? We're trying to get packed up so we can get home, take some baths. Right, Anthony? Right, Carson? Cheese! This was actually not bad, but could have been better. Because there was a lot of us and a lot of shit for us. But alright, I'll see y'all. From LA,